Hi guys, today we are going to see how to embed the Heimdal license key into the latest Heimdal Thor agent. But first, we have to download the Orca editor. You can find this one on the technipages.com. I will extract it on my desktop and I will run the installer. Choose the typical installation and click install. Now we're set to edit our MSI installer. After I log in to the Heimdal dashboard, I have to go in the guide section, click on the download and install tab, and download the latest Heimdal Thor agent MSI installer. Scroll down, agree, and download it on your machine. Next, I'll open the Orca editor. Go in the options area and check for these two options to be ticked. Now I can apply and press OK. Next step is to load the MSI installer that I just downloaded from the Heimdal dashboard. I will scroll down to the property table. Here, I'm going to add a new row. The property of the row is Heimdal key, and the value is the license key you will find in the Heimdal dashboard under your Heimdal security activation key. I will paste this one here, and now I have a new row with the Heimdal key property and the value which is defined here. The next step is to save the new embedded MSI installer . Here is the Heimdal Thor agent MSI installer with the Heimdal security license key embedded. Please note that this MSI installer works only if you run it silently. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.